So this video is just a little basic little video that I want to put out, and it, as you can see, my recording software right here is OBS, but it's just a little video showing you how to use Blender real quick. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to measure up your thing here, your line here, I forget what they call this, to how much you have recorded, whether that be the sound or the image. You want to change this bar here, down here, to whatever it is, so it extends it, because this is where the video will be played, this is how much the video will be rendered, and this is where this line will go up to, and it will finish here and it will replay it, and this is how much will be rendered. If you want to delete something, you go here, you go to delete, and then you click end script. If you want to cut something, say I want to cut both of these, you click Shift K, wherever this line is placed. You Control Shift K, you put the line wherever you want to delete, you highlight the things you want to delete, you delete them, like so. Then you, again, readjust, 5, enter. Then you change this, then you get this, which can be a problem. Again, I'm very, very noobish when it comes to this, but this is just the basics. 371 to this. Send that across. Don't need to. I'm pretty sure the volume here is probably messed. I'm not going to do anything with this. I'm not really in the mood to record or do anything. I'm not fixing any of this. I'm just showing you the basics. You change it to this, because this is good frames that you want it on. You click this to decide where you want to save it and what you want to save it as. You go to this and you put it as an MPEG. Jesus Christ, you put it as an FFmpeg video. That's the one you want to go as. So you don't want it as a PNG or anything, because it won't work. Then you come down here and you put your audio, if you have audio, to MP3. If you want to change the volume, you go to here, your volume pitch. You go to here for other things, and yeah, this is the bare basics of how to use Blender. And I hope, before I finish, you go to here to click render, and you click render animation. There you go, there's the bare basics of how to use Blender. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you, or yeah, I'll upload again sometime. I'll probably already have a video recorded.